Welcome to Loadmac Essentials, a series of videos which cover some of the fundamental information when it comes to the correct operation and maintenance of your Loadmac Truck Mounted Forklift. In this video we are going to look at our recommended list of daily maintenance checks, a vital step in keeping your Loadmac in top condition and working at its best. Our recommended daily checklist is as follows. Check for broken, missing or damaged parts. Check forks, mast and lift chains. Check hydraulic hoses and connections. Check wheel condition and wheel nut tightness. The correct torque should be 200 Newton meters or 147 foot-pounds. Check tyre pressure and that it is suitable for your tyre and ground conditions. Next, check the fuel level. To do this, turn the key to the first position and allow the fuel gauge on the dashboard to settle before confirming the level. If fuel needs topping up, remove the fuel cap and refuel. Once refueled, refit the cap and ensure it is tight to avoid any fuel spillage. Now open up the engine bonnet and centre bonnet and check the following. Check the engine oil level, ensuring it is between the high and low marks on the dipstick. Check the air cleaner. If the red warning band is visible on the indicator, the air filter needs cleaning or replacing. Reset the indicator by pressing the black button if required. Check the coolant level on the expansion bottle is between the high and the low marks. Next, with the main mast fully back, the ISR integrated second reach fully retracted, and the forks level on the ground, check the hydraulic oil level. The oil level should be just visible on the side glass and no higher than the thermometer bulb as shown. If topping up the oil is necessary, do not fill above the recommended level. Top up via the fill point at the rear of the tank, ensuring the filler cap is refitted and secure upon completion. Once under the bonnet checks have been completed, close the bonnets and you're almost ready to go. If mounted on a lorry ready for use, check the operation of the rear lights before driving. During your checks, if any issues are noticed, then make sure to report or rectify these as required before proceeding to use the forklift. And there you have it. Some quick and simple daily checks which will help you to ensure your Loadmac enjoys a productive and effective working day.